Already, polish up that big brain of yours because we have 10 riddles to solve. Some of the riddles seems easy at first glance, but the brightest minds can only solve all the riddles at once. You got 15 seconds to solve the riddles, but feel free to pause the video if you like. Number 1. Look carefully at the animals on the screen. One of the animals doesn't belong to the list. You got 15 seconds. It's the pig, which is the odd one out. It is the only animal that doesn't start with the letter C. Number 2. How to cut your round birthday cake only 3 times to make 8 equal size slices. 7 for your guests and 1 for you, of course. Time is ticking and the guests are waiting for the cake. Now first, you have to cut vertically right down the middle of the cake to make 2 equal pieces. Do the same thing horizontally to make 4 slices. The third and the final cut should be laterally across the cake, which will quickly turn your 4 slices into 8. Number 3. There are 6 glasses in front of you. The first 3 are full and the other 3 are empty. How can you arrange them so that they alternate in full empty full pattern? Oh, and you can move only one glass. Good luck. Just pick up the second glass and pour the water into the fifth one. Now they alternate. Hey, you only moved one glass. Nobody said you couldn't do anything with the contents. Number 4. We have to plant trees so that they make 5 rows with 4 trees in each. Just take your time. The answer here is so painful and seemingly obvious. Once you see it, just make sort of a star shape with the trees. Now it says exactly 5 rows with 4 trees. If you got this one, your logical skills are truly amazing. If you want to flex your brain and muscles, have some more fun and puzzles. Check out our other short test. More you solve these type of puzzles, the better you get at them. So keep practicing. Now let's move on to the other riddle. 5. Here we have 2 seemingly perfect watches, but look closely, one of them is real while the other one is just a toy. Which one is which? Your time starts now. Answer: the watch on the left is the toy. How can you tell? Its minute hand is way too long to work on its face of the clock, so the one on the right is real. Man, it's simply as that. Number 6. Here we have 4 triangles and a whole bunch of numbers, seemingly random numbers. Study them carefully and try to figure it out. What number should be inside the 4th one? You got 15 seconds. Answer: if you look closely enough at the first 3 triangles, you see a repeating pattern. The number inside the triangle is the result of subtracting the number on the left from the one on the top and then multiplying by the number on the right. For example, in the first triangle, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8, which is exactly the number inside the triangle. Use the same formula for the last triangle and you will get the right answer, which is 3. Number 7. No tricks here, but how about some math? Here we have 6 squares with the numbers inside them, but one square is empty. So the question is, what goes inside the last square? Answer: the last box should contain a number, but it has the letter R. These numbers are actually the imprint you use on the gear handle, the first 5 gears and the reverse. Still lost? It's okay. Number 8. Let's try a murder mystery, shall we? A woman has been murdered in a restaurant bathroom. How rude. I mean, was that before or after she paid her bill? Actually doesn't matter. So can we find out who is the killer just by looking at this picture? Good luck, detective. Answer: it's the man under number 4. Look closely. He is sitting near the restroom. His knife is missing and his shirt is ripped at the bottom. And take a look at the victim once again. There is a piece of his shirt in her hand. A scratch on his neck doesn't leave much to his imagination either. It's closed. 9. The ages of this father and sons add up to make 66. The digits of the father's age are the same ones as his son's, just reverse somewhere where of course. So what are their ages? Clock is ticking. Now you can't stick to one answer because there are actually 3 possible answers. The father is 60 years while his son is 6, or the dad is 42 and the son is 24, and finally the dad is 51 and the son is 15. Did you guess any of them or even more than one? So high five. Number 10. Any Chicago Bulls fans out there? Check out this NUA team's logo. There is something hiding here. What can you see other rather than the bull? Now flip the bull's logo upside down. And it's a robo reading a book and a part which, and now you can never be able to unsee this. So how many riddles did you solve? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends to see how many riddles they are able to crack, and make sure to subscribe.